Hello, everyone. I hope you all are doing wonderful wherever you are. So, today I'm planning to embellish a canvas that I poured almost a year ago. Since that time, I was starting to learn the pouring art. I had poured it multiple times and I was disappointed, so I never thought I will upload this video. But recently, I embellished it with a stencil and a designer kit from DecoArt that brought this piece to life. So I thought I should share it here. So I'll try to speed up the initial, not so interesting part of straight pour. You have already seen my other straight pours, and if not, I can link it in the description below. So once the canvas was completely dried, I put this stencil that I bought from Amazon and just taped it to the canvas so it won't move in the next step. Then to give some texture to this stencil, I use this professional modeling paste from Artist Loft. Then I applied this modeling paste very lightly with gentle hands. So the modeling paste, if we'll press it too much and move it too much, there are chances that it might get under the stencil and you won't get the crisp lines from the stencil. Once the modeling paste was applied to the complete stencil, I started putting some color to it. So to give um, some color, of course, to our modeling paste because this modeling paste dries clear. Um, Perhaps it will darken your color a tad bit, um, but again, it is not white, so it's better to give um, it a little bit of color. So here I'm putting red, copper, and gold, and again, just dabbing here and there, and then with the help of palette knife, I will spread it. Um, so basically, I'm giving color to the modeling paste. Uh, I was thinking earlier if I can mix the modeling paste in these color, but then you won't get different shades. Somewhere it is gold and copper. So that was my initial thinking. I'm not sure which is the right way to apply the colors, but that's what I did here. And once you're done, once you're satisfied with the uh, color application or paint application on top of your modeling paste, don't let it dry. You have to remove the stencil right there and then. Um, Otherwise, and then clear it. Oh, wipe clear the stencil. Otherwise, your modeling paste will get dried on the stencil and you won't be able to use your stencil again. Just a little tip. Then, with the help of a brush, I applied areas where I can still see only the modeling paste. So here's the final piece that you can see, and I think it looks pretty good. And I also like this color combination on top of blue and silver. Lastly, I finalized this piece by using some DecoArt designer kits. I have this DecoArt designer finishes. So they come in 4 bottles and all the instructions are right here. So I wanted to use this and would like to create some finishes just right here, kind of a rusty finish on the sides. I want to give it a go. Let's see how it will work. Let's open this up. So they have this tin paint. So first they say, according to the instructions, first they say we have to apply the base coat with tin, let dry, and then we have to mix this Georgia clay, and they have a medium, so we have to mix 1:1 both of them, and then apply, let dry, and then we have to lightly brush this asphaltum. We have to mix it 4:1 water and then paint the surface. And then once it's dry, we have to apply varnish and done. So let's start. First thing first, we have to apply this thin coat of this medium, just like that. We don't have to dilute it or anything, but I still like to give good mix. So I don't know how this will turn out. This is my very first time using it, but let's just try. So we have to let it dry. In the meantime, let's mix these two. Sure, it says texture sand, ultra fine grit paste. It is kind of like sand. It says mix equal parts. Oh, this is good. This looks very thick. Okay, they said mix 1:1, and I think it's, I didn't measure it or anything because this is so tiny. I can't really measure it, so I just eyeballed it.
It is. It is indeed a sandy texture, and it is exactly like given as if this was rusted. The base coat, if you want to make it, this is a canvas and I already painted over it. I don't want to make it a tin look, but if you want to give something, like if you have a wooden piece, and if you want to make it as a metal, look like as if it is a metal piece, rusted metal piece, then that base coat, you should apply more base coat on it. So it looks like tin, and then on certain areas you put this rust on top, but that's not the look I was going for. I am looking for more texture, which it is giving me because this thing is textured, and I want to give some more texture on the sides as well. So now it is completely dried, and you can see this is the texture. I hope you can see it right here. It's like sandy texture. So now the last part is we have to add this asphaltum. You think, and I will try this. I like this, and I can think of very many things where I can use this in different projects, and yeah, let me know if you will try this DecoArt design kit. So this is the final piece. So I did the one coat of varnish on that. I just use spray varnish at this time, and so this is the final piece.
I hope you like this embellishment. Let me know what you think, and I'll see you in the next video.